Hello guys and welcome back. Today is 3 December 2024 and in this video we will discuss about Forex account management service and I will show you the yesterday's results of our account management service because I was busy yesterday and couldn't make the video. So guys, this is my XNest broker account and I'm using this account as a master account and all other clients accounts are linked with this master account using a premium trade copier. And yesterday we made 1% profit on the master account. That's mean we made 1% on all the clients accounts. Now let's talk about the trades. So there was only one setup on gold and this was our setup for buying and this was my entry point and the stop loss was here below this zone and the take profit was at this point which got hit. So we made 1% profit yesterday on the master account. That means we made 1% on all the clients accounts. So guys, if you want to join our account management service or if you have any question about our account management service, you can watch a detailed video about our account management service. The link of the detailed video is given in the description of this video. So guys, this was a short video of today's results. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and that's it for today's video. See you in the next video.